Hey, Lou Mosca here, Chief Operating Officer of American Management Services, and welcome to today's edition of Straight Talk. And what I wanted to chat with you about today briefly was, should you have a company brochure? Should you have a company piece, a leave behind piece, something? Because just like when people call on you and they leave you all this paraphernalia, all this paperwork, what do you do with it? You know exactly what you do with it. Throw it in a crapper, right? You get rid of it. Most people do that. But if you have a sales force, if you have people that are actually out talking to prospective clients, customers, you have people out there actually trying to cultivate new business with existing clients and customers, you need to have some type of leave behind or something that represents you well. But my suggestion is, if you're going to do a brochure or leave behind piece, you need to really emphasize what you can do for your prospective client or customer, not what's good for you. And I think most people like to pat themselves on the back, but it needs to be all about what you can do to make your client, your customer, your prospective client's life better. If you need help with that, let me know. We'll talk you through it. We're actually redoing our own drop-off piece for the third time in the last 4 months because I'm not happy with it, okay? So if you're going to have a piece, something, look, business cards, they get thrown away, brochures, they get thrown away, but if you're going to create something to leave behind, make it be about how you help make clients or customers' lives better, okay? Have a great day. It's good seeing you. If you like what you heard here, subscribe. Click anything? Nothing?
Click the bell.
Click the what? Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Right? That's the thing. Ring the bell. I always forget that crap, right? Have a great day. It's good saying hello to you.